Yo, thanks for logging in. Right here to the Mr. Show. Yeah, remember to like and subscribe. I've got a banged up show today. It's going to be really good. I got a lot of clips, yo. Check it out. This mother's teaching her son the real ins and outs about dating. Do you understand? Key words, reserve, and reserve your things, ladies. We also going to be talking about a lot of things on this show, and I'm not going to do no talking. I'm just going to let the show run, and we'll debate it all after. All right, so let's go. It's the Mr. Show. I, Red Pill. So, yo, what's up?
No reservations on.
Let's go.
Well, be boring. You need to be boring. You're a mom now.
You imagine this ass whooping I'm about to give you?
Back at HU, used to hit whole cheese.
You just see a random man walking without shirt. Yeah, you gotta hurry up, get in the bag.
Yeah. Chicken wing with the fried
Hey, lady, you're crazy.
I've been scared to let you know. Just
bird, homie, that's a great white.
Well, hold on,
yes.
hold on. Get back.
I would like.
We don't even know if you worth a steak.
You look amazing, but for me,
Oh boy. Okay, so you see, we got a few clips, and there's also other clips in there that I didn't see. So shout out to my editor, Snaky. Yo, it takes a village to raise these guys nowadays. These women and men, it takes a whole village. So this is where Uncle steps in to his sister's house. He sees the daughter, who's a mother, getting ready to go out, and he's like, "Where you going, like dressed like that? There's people in the area talking about you. Go put on some clothes." Let's see what happens. No more talking.
You need to change.
It took you that long to say something to him?
Look. This
Look,
my
wait.
child.
I understand. And mine needs too. People tell me when they see her in the street dressed like that and everything, hey, I'm not going home. I'm going to stay right here till she change clothes. So what is you doing? Because this is my sister's house. And I can be wherever I want to be. And who going to put me out?
I will. If
You
keep
won't.
it up.
You won't.
Golly.
And where? You're not.
Baby, just go change.
That's her best bet because I ain't going nowhere till she change clothes.
All right, Uncle, talk to her, bro. Yeah.
I don't care. Look at her. Just everything about to fall off.
No, real talk. She's falling out, bro. She's falling out for real, yo. Oh.
Don't put some sweatpants and t-shirts on for all I care. Well, be boring. You need to be boring. You're a mom now.
Right.
Can't even keep the shirt up on you.
He's right.
It ain't no JoJo. That's the problem now. Go get some of your mama clothes and put on. You trying to get Rihanna next and Rihanna pregnant?
Yo, Uncle, what are you saying, bro? Let's go.
Rihanna pregnant? Okay, but you not rich like her, so you ain't gonna get all that. How am I? Not going where?
No, you need to, baby. Look, come on.
What is you gonna do? What is you gonna say to her?
Go change.
I'm waiting for it.
I'm sick of you.
You not sick of me?
I'm sick of you.
Chastise her.
Somebody
That's what you do.
chastise me.
Chastise her. Yo, he went back with the language. Chastise her, he said. Okay, the girls trip. You know the 304 trip that these girls go on? All right, check this out.
you end up popping your balloon. I pop my balloon.
All right. Yo, ladies, don't be too picky because nowadays there's a lot of single ladies out there, and I think maybe y'all being a little bit too picky. All right, let's go.
Because you are very fine down to the ankles.
I do what I can.
I just, it's a pet peeve of mine when men wear pants that don't cover their ankles.
Okay.
So
what?
that was why I popped.
And what? So that's that's why the balloon is popped. Oh, y'all are picking yourself into singlehood and buying cats and cat food later on in life. Let's go.
So why'd you end up popping your balloon?
He said the smile thing, and I'm not much of a smiler or a laugher. I'm more serious, so yeah. You won't really catch me smiling that much.
Why?
You don't want to smile? No.
She's smiling right now.
I know, that's what I was like, why?
But you're very handsome.
I appreciate it.
That was She's unique, some of those.
Yes, she is.
Because it's mine. I know.
Your balloon because I think you're well dressed for yourself, but for me, I like someone that has like more of a baggy fit to their clothes. You look amazing, but for me, I like someone that has like an upscale streetwear style to themselves. So
An upscale streetwear style.
that's pretty much why I think that walking together, our style just would clash.
What? Look what she. Yo. It looked like, dude, he actually dodged 3 bullets.
I mean, together today, we look amazing.
Right? What are you talking about, girl?
Do you usually wear tight-fitted pants? Because for me, like, I like someone that has like a looser, baggy fit, like something that's like a little oversized.
I wear whatever I'm feeling.
Okay.
I'm not going to switch up the way that I dress myself for anybody because I know
As
I
you
carry
shouldn't.
myself well and I dress well.
Yeah.
You know, so
Oh, man, stink up the place there.
I guess it just ain't meant.
Unfortunately, that is all of the balloons popped,
Dang.
but we do thank you for coming
Petty.
on.
Very, very petty, I must have to say. Let's go.
The most dangerous thing about being single.
All right, the big difference between being lonely and being single. Real talk? Real talk. Let's go. Because it's a difference, yo. Real talk. Let's go.
Is that you get used to it. And when you get used to being single, that means you get used to being alone. And when you get used to being alone, it is so hard for you to let somebody come in and disturb your peace.
What happened next?
Get those knives.
No, it's less than 1.7%.
Moron.
You don't know this is
Miscarriages are extremely common, and most women opt to have.
miscarriages and abortion are different. What is abortion?
No, a miscarriage is a medical.
No, no, it's not. Okay, let me educate you. Okay.
Yes, it
Well, hold on,
fucking is.
hold on. Get back. Hey, get back. Hey,
Hey,
Get
that's
back.
not okay. Don't put your hand.
hey, get back. Stop. Stop. Don't put your hands on her. I don't want to scare your daughter.
I have kept the secret to myself. I've been scared to
Yo. What's the man doing in the wig, bro? Rewind that. Why does the man have on the wig, bro? Let's go. Remember to like and subscribe.
I have kept the secret to myself. I've been scared to let you know just what to do. And it's your fault that I have
Wow. What is going on here, my editor Snaky? What is happening here, my editor Snaky? Let's see that again.
that I have
A little bit of this. Damn, baby, all I need.
Okay, what we have here. Let me get up on the screen here. Let me get out of the way here. Oh, yo, shout out to the UK, England, London, Liverpool, Ismail, Twickenham, St. Brixton, Birmingham. Shout out to North America, United States, St. Louis, Missouri, California, Los Angeles, of course. Shout out to Las Vegas, Miami. We're up here in Toronto, Canada. Shout out to New York, Detroit. And then what we got here? Good old Team Canada. I see. Let me take myself out of the shot. Run blood clot this thing back. Rewind that. Let's go.
kept the secret to myself. I've been scared to let you know just what to do. And it's your fault that I have
A little bit of this. Damn, baby. You're all I need. Is a little bit.
secret to myself. I've been scared to let you know just what to do. And it's your fault that I have
A little bit of this. Damn, baby. baby, all I need is a little bit of this.
So a first date, again, is to get to know the person, to hang out, have fun. Y'all should be laughing and talking. It don't need to be a steakhouse. What's the last restaurant your daddy took you to?
Ooh.
That's not his role. It's a first date. Where do you take yourself? Let me see your checkbook registry. Let me log into your bank account and see what you feed yourself on a regular basis. Where do you take yourself for lunch or dinner? That's the next question I want you to answer. And then the third thing about this, a real lady, is gonna be there for the purpose of what it's for. She's not looking for food because she's hungry that she can't afford so she can take it to go and get a doggy bag. I'm gonna wrap this up to go. Why? You ain't gonna have food tomorrow? That's a poverty mindset.
I think she's right.
So we don't even know if you worth a steak. You might just be worth a piece of bread.
Yo, mama's dropping it like it's hot, bro. Shout out to mama, yo. Show that youth. Show that son of yours. You know what I'm saying? As coming from a strong woman, I like how she's talking. So let's go.
So ladies, young ladies, grow up. Get some maturity about yourself. Y'all buying titties, lashes, booties, and everything else. And you want somebody else to feed you. Save your money, stop buying your body, and put it to the side so you can have some food. I have no reservations on that, but you want the men to make a reservation for a restaurant, but you don't reserve what's between your legs. You passing it out like candy.
I would like.
Why your mom?
Okay, so we all know a baby mama from hell. Let's go.
What you mean while I'm at your house? I'm
here.
here to get Junior.
No, you're not seeing him.
What you mean? He right. I see my son right there.
Okay.
Hey, Junior. Junior, come here.
No.
What you mean no?
Oh, man.
Wait a minute.
What do you mean no?
What you worry about us for in a whole new relationship?
Who are you?
The f is going on?
Pat, what you doing home?
She live here.
This is Michelle. Pat, you remember, right?
Shout out to all the Michelles that I know. Yo, Michelle, what are you doing in the man's house? You ever heard of a work wife? Is that what it's called? Eh? Work husband and work wife? When ain't that, you know? No. None of that stuff. Let's go.
The f is going on?
Pat, what you doing home?
She live here.
This is Michelle. Pat, you remember, right? From my job.
Hi, Pat. It's so nice to meet you.
Yeah, I know who the fuck she is.
So this is little Tupperware Titty Michelle, huh?
Oh, no, it's not like that.
It's not like that at all.
Well, what is it like then, Terry?
Yo, Tupperware titties? Yo, that was good. Let's go.
Pat, you remember, right? From my job.
It's so nice to meet you.
Yeah, I know who the fuck she is.
So this is little Tupperware Titty Michelle, huh?
Oh, no, it's not like that.
It's not like that at all.
Well, what is it like then, Terry?
It doesn't matter. I'm here to get my son. It's my weekend. See, look, you want me.
No, you
Junior, don't you want to come with Daddy? Huh, Junior?
No, you don't.
Come with
You trying
Daddy.
to fight me, boy? Bye.
Come with Daddy, Junior.
Watch
Come
her
here.
out. No.
What you mean? No.
No.
Why?
Go sit down. Sit down.
What's your issue though? Get my son.
Sit
Move.
down.
Watch
No,
out.
watch out. Move.
Listen, man.
Go worry about your grown kids. Your dad.
Erase that.
Lady, are you crazy? Whoa, lady.
I'll punch the
Hey, lady, you're crazy.
Erase
Lady, fucking move. Fucking no, you can't hit me. Yeah, call them. You hit me. I got your.
Let's see if this works. Oh. That's awesome.
Free chicken wing with the fried rice.
Ooh,
You always fucking recording.
it's good.
Shit. But my dude didn't have to work today, but he in the house sleep. He sleep hard as hell, so we should be good. But we gotta be quick, so.
Alright.
Yeah, you gotta hurry up, get in the bag.
I like your pussycat friend.
Yo, young men, young dudes out there, this is the stuff that we warn you about. These are the type of chicks that we be warning you about, bro. Be very, 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 very careful with these shorties, yo. Rewind this back again. This shorty is cold as ice. Shout out to the ratchet video of the day. Let's go.
Ooh.
You always fucking recording.
What's good?
Shit. But my dude didn't have to work today, but he in the house sleep. He sleep hard as hell, so we should be good. But we gotta be quick, so.
Alright.
Yeah, you gotta hurry up, get in the bag.
I like your pussycat friend.
Oh shit. Hello? Yeah, babe, I had to run outside to the car real quick and get my charger. My phone was dying.
Yo. Man, still I pump it, you know. Yo, she's got some good voice control, yo.
Yeah, yeah, you know you got an Android charger. Alright, here I come. You always fucking recording. I'm happy you're not friends on social media. You about to cry?
This girl is cold, yo. She won't let the father see the kid, yo. Do all mothers do this? Huh? Do you know girls that do this? You know women or girls that do this? Slap them. Let's go.
My son.
No, watch
Dude,
out.
he's trying to come with me. Look at him. Look at him. Who you want to come with? Well, come on.
No. Go worry about
What's
your
the issue?
girlfriend.
What's the issue?
Go worry about your new set of kids that you have.
Listen, just because I got 2 bonus kids, they ain't mine, but
Right,
they
bonus.
mine.
Pre-owned.
They mine because I love my girlfriend, my fiance, excuse me. So anything that come with her, I got.
You love her when you're in front of her.
Oh, she don't want to hear that, yo. You see? You love her when you're in front of her. Yo, these girls are cold. Let's go.
So what you mean by that?
You love her when you're in front of her.
What are you trying to say?
If you got a fiance, you didn't have one 2 days ago?
Look, man, you worry about the wrong shit. I'm just trying to get my son.
Right.
Junior, come on.
No.
What's the issue here?
Sit
So I
sit down.
can't. So you telling me? See, look, he having a fit. Let me get my
You
son.
don't have to talk to me like I'm some common. I came over to help your husband because he needed help.
Wow. He just sitting like a lump on a log. Crazy. Let's go.
What's the issue here?
Sit
So I
sit
can't.
down.
So you telling me? See, look, he having a fit. Let me get my
You don't
son.
have to talk to me like I'm some common. I came over to help your husband because he needed help.
I can help my husband my damn self.
Well, be my guest.
Oh, girl, you got to go. Grab your little tulip so you get busting your 2 lips. Come on.
Ay, por favor. Ustedes son locos y no aprecian nada. Si una mujer te hace un favorcito.
Well, nobody wanna hear all that
Vete pa'l
shit,
carajo, por favor.
Get that.
This is what 300 pounds looks like.
What's up, boys? 300-pounder. You in or you out? Yo.
As a woman with high sex drive,
Okay, so now we have a thing in Jamaica, my homeland. Shout out to my Canadians. Shout out to all Americans. But we have a thing named white liver. You ever heard that term before? White liver? White liver. White liver. So that's when the girl just cannot get enough, man. And you cannot give her enough, bro. If a girl have white liver, bro. If a woman has white liver,
Stop the cap.
yo, I'm not lying, bro. So she's talking about her white liver syndrome. Let's go.
as in white liver, don't come to Jamaica. You will walk down the hill and then
Let's take it from the 300-pound lady. What you guys saying on her? Like and subscribe, comment.
As a woman with high sex drive,
Okay.
as in white liver, don't come to Jamaica.
You hear that?
You will walk down the hill and then you just see a random man walking without shirt. His muscle shine in the moonlight, sweating, nice hair. I mean, it's just a walk, so look, I'm a pum pum talk for yourself.
Yo, you see that? It's just a ton on. Sprinkler ton on underneath her. Yeah, you hear me? So the pum pum start talk for yourself, bro. Let's go.
Without shirt. His muscle shine in the moonlight, sweating, nice hair. I mean, it's just a walk, so look, I'm a pum pum talk for yourself. I can't manage. I can't manage. I never say nothing. But just pause. My pum pum jump. Just talk for yourself, like, yo, look on that Muslim man. Wow.
Shout out to all the hard men that work hard jobs and life danger jobs. Take a look at what these men are doing here. Look what they're doing. Look how high up they are. Look how far up they are. And they're like changing. They're putting a scaffold. It looks like a scaffolding type of job. I'm not sure. All right, check this out. Mr. Show. And yo, remember to like and subscribe. Wow. See, that's like a scaffold. They're going to put that one up to the top. Connects it. Wow. Look at the small ledge they're on. Look at that small ledge that they're on. Now he has to lift the other scaffold. So that's the scaffold. That's the plank or the platform they're standing on. They have to get off of that platform to put it up top. This is crazy. Yo. Balance, strength, teamwork, trust. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So thanks for logging in, man. It's a small channel. It's trying to grow. So like and subscribe right here. No, I don't.